Friends, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 17. I cannot believe we are getting so close to Christmas. We are starting the day off with a few errands. I need to run out and get a few teacher gifts, and we've got to go to the grocery store, and then I have to run to Home Depot and grab some pipe glue for our pipe catastrophe that we had the other evening. We ended up getting that insulated and fixed up, so we just have one final thing to do and that problem will be fixed. The HVAC guy had nothing to really say to me regarding that problem besides, you could probably put some heat tape on it, and that was it. So we're gonna get those errands done and then we'll get back home and see what we can get into. Okay, I just got back from Target looking for a teacher gift. I ended up grabbing this really cute coffee mug that says howdy, howdy, howdy. I grabbed a Starbucks gift card to go into there. I know she does like Starbucks. And then I'm gonna fill it in with some of these cookie butter cream Werthers. These are so good, and I showed you all these a few videos ago. And so I grabbed another bag at Aldi's today, and I'll put a few in there, and then I'll just kind of wrap this up really nicely and put a little bow in it. I did $20 on the gift card. For the laundry soap. It's been going on a little over a month now. I actually need to go ahead and order a new batch. This is what I have left over, but it's usually about 1 scoop for a medium load or so, and then if it's like an extra heavy load, you can do 2 scoops. They have a new Oxy booster that I really want to try because we really need OxyClean around here. But I switched to pronouns a month ago because one of my kids was having an allergic reaction. I couldn't figure out what it was from, so I have switched laundry detergents and it seems to be doing better. But pronouns is pretty good. I did start with Molly Suds like a couple years ago, and I don't know, I just wasn't really impressed. But the pronouns has really impressed me so far. And I'm getting ready to do, like I said, another order, and then I'll add in that Oxy booster and we'll see how that works. So I stopped by the mailbox on the way in and we got our new book from Dolly. I love that she sends books every month to the kids. It's called Buffalo, so I'm excited to read this tonight to the kids, but I just thought I'd share our new book for the month. As no judgment here, I do have a sink full of dishes from this morning and a couple of pots from last night, and I saved it just because we are getting our dishwasher in today and I want to be able to do a test run immediately. Look at this, guys. 1 egg. Hey, let's talk about what we need to do here. Y'all are gonna have to get some vitamin D, eat you some bugs, figure out how to lay some eggs, because you're starting to slack. We're now going to make some cranberry bliss bars. These are a Starbucks copycat recipe. I went there the other day and they were out of these, and I like to get one at least every season to just hit the spot, but they were out of them, so we're going to make our own. I'm putting the recipe in the caption below. They turned out absolutely amazing.